Hi guys, today's my off and I decided to go for a short solo adventure. Right now, I'm walking along the trail heading to Sairung waterfall here in Khaolak. The trail, short and easy, is surrounded by the trees, bird, and fresh air. Honestly, it already feels so relaxing even before seeing the falls. There's something about just walking in silence, no traffic, no noise, just the sound of the wind and the water in the distance. Exactly what I needed today. And there it is. I can already hear it, that sairung waterfall. It's not too big, but the water flows is strong and steady. And the vibe, super calm. The place is quiet, clean, and not crowded at all. You don't even have to hike far to get here. Just a few minutes of walking, and boom, you get the peaceful spot. I walked closer to the waterfall just to feel the mist and hear the sound up close. The water was so cold and fresh, you can really feel the energy of nature. Just standing there was already relaxing. I didn't really plan much today. I just wanted to go somewhere quiet, and this spot definitely gave me what I needed: chill time and a break from the usual. I took a few videos and photos. Of course, gotta document a bit, but mostly I just stayed present and enjoyed the view. If you're ever around Khaolak and want a quick peaceful getaway, I highly recommend Sairung Waterfall. It's simple, relaxing, and totally free. No. It's not totally free. You need to pay 20 baht entrance fee. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like and follow. See ya!